take off.
Hello everybody, this is Goldi Verma here with your weekly tech tips and tricks, and today I'll teach you how to change your background from something boring like this to something cool looking like this. And be tuned till the end of the video because I'll also be going to tell you a bonus trick that you should know. So let's get started. Now to convert this kind of wallpaper to this kind of wallpaper, something like this, first you'll require the background screen, and for that you just go to Chrome or any other internet explorer or browser you are using, type office room wallpaper and select the custom wallpaper you will want. You can also select an other wallpaper according to your mindset or according to your imagination. As there is no limit of imagination, I selected this purple one. I'll just save image in my folder. Now, I already set this wallpaper once, so I'll not require to set it again. So I go to personalize and unsaved theme. I click it, and as you can see, the wallpaper has appeared on the background screen. In case you are doing the first time and you didn't know how to do it, just go to the place where you have saved your image, right click the image and select set as desktop background. It will also work out as once as mine. So now let's move on to the next step. This is a very important step. You'll need to just arrange these pictures that as mine one. In this step you go to right click, view, and just turn off these two options, auto arrange icons and align icons to grid, as these options will never let you arrange your icons according to your needs. Now let's get started. Now as you can see, this is our office, so I'll just put my computer on my desktop, and the recycle bin should be just nearby my table. Let's just put all these things into those shelves. Let's arrange one by one. I'll arrange them according to their needs. So YTD downloader will be in the bottom, in cart like here. You can also arrange according to your needs, but I'm arranging as I use those things. The files are not really accessed, so I'm putting them over there. It may require a lot of patience and time, but once you get used to it, it's not that hard. Let me just also put these things out here. It will be very useful if you put these things according to your needs. Yes, because as images goes to the bottom one, you can easily access and remember where all the images were. Documents on the middle one. I'm also going to arrange some gadgets on this, so be tuned, or I'll just fast forward it for your needs. Now as you can see, I'm about to get completed right here. I'll just put the Chrome browser up there, and also this one here. And if you run out of space like I was about to, just go to view, select small icons. It will just reduce the size of your icons. It may look a little weird, but you can apply it to custom icons by just right clicking it. So let's move on to the next step. This one's and now friends, before moving on, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave your suggestions in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Now in the next step, I'll be going to insert some gadgets on my screen. What gadgets I'll need? One of them is a clock, as every office room has a clock. Just customize it to so that it just matches with the background. I like this one, so I'll also need a second hand. Click OK, and this one will look nice right here. I'll also be needing a calendar, so I'll just select it. It will look right. It will be going right here. I'll also change its opacity to 80%, so it just blends with the background and just don't pop out into your eyes. Next thing I'll be needing is a CPU meter. It goes to the corner. I'll just put it right here so it matches with my screen. I don't want it to go out right here. Now, and the final gadget I'll be needing is a slideshow. As you see, this kind of slideshow doesn't look nice on this type of screen as it's too small. So I'll just click this icon, large icons button, and as you can see, it matches almost perfectly with the background. I don't want these pictures to show on. I'll just go to my folder and select some custom photos I already designed for my wallpaper. Friends, wait a second, I am just a bit confused where my folder went, as it's a bit hard to locate your files in a folder like this. So yes, I'll select the Disney one. I love Disney. Now this will look nice. Now for the next step, I'll now as you can friends see that my desktop is ready, and this is the time for our bonus trick that I'll told you earlier in the video that I'll be going to show you. Now for the bonus trick, as you can see, our desktop has been customized and has been personalized. I'll be telling you how to personalize your Chrome new tab intro. It may take a while. Yes. Now, as you can see, my Chrome browser looks a bit different from the ordinary ones. As you know, when you open a Google, it looks like this, but mine looking a little bit different. And for this, what will you need is to go to apps and then web store. Then select a custom theme that you want for your Chrome browser. For this time, I'll just select the space one and just click the add to Chrome button. Now it will check if this is present or not. As you can see, it also shows the file size. It is 5.86 MB. It may not take a while. As I am going to be finished talking, it will change my wallpaper. As you can see, my wallpaper for my new Chrome browser, excuse me more, has been changed. So be sure to subscribe our channel TechG and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and click this video for our top 10 websites that you should know, and click this one for the video that YouTube thinks that you may like. If you just go check it out. Peace out.